Or we could just go straight from the bucket until we lose tape.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out?
We just finished. How long did it take us?
5 hours.
5 hours. So it's the next morning. It's like 10 in the morning, and this is how the room turned out. I really like this shade of gray, and it's just really, really pretty. So we went ahead and slept on just the mattress so we could let the paint dry. It's fully dry at this point. I just need to fix some spots. Like I need to fix the ceiling for one, and then I have to fix like this area. I guess I didn't paint it that well, but that's like the only spot that's not fully covered. I also need to rebuy paintbrushes and stuff because I need to buy a white gallon of paint to paint my doors. As you guys can see, it's really dirty, so I'm gonna paint my doors. I might paint my restroom and maybe like the corners of the ceilings and just clean it up. But this is a really big transformation to what it was before.
Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the
I'm gonna clean all this and then I'll start placing like my vanity mirror, my chair, that chair. It's a work in progress. It's a work in progress.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep.
Supposed to be up or down?
It's just chueco.
Oh, chueco.
I broke my lamp.
I think I did a little bit worse.
Oh. Ew, look how dusty these curtains are. I'm gonna actually switch these out, so we're just putting these on for now, so I could have. I am. They're coming in Sunday, for your information. No, I won't.
Until she's gonna see them again, she's gonna be like, fuck, I need to get it.
But they're super cute. They're coming in Sunday. I don't hate these curtains, but I've had them for so long. It's like time to change it. My poor baby had an incident today. He, the headboard fell on his back. But he's okay now, right? You're good.
Just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go? Why you gotta go? I just wanna know now. Too numb, cry and get no, cry and get no. Hope you free your soul, hope you free your soul. I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about.
Okay guys, so I'm pretty much done with my room at this point. There was nothing really like, I didn't really have any major differences other than my wall, so that was just my main goal, was just to paint my room. But everything else is pretty much the same. My furniture, my vanity, like just my whole room setup is exactly the same, just with now a different wall color. So it's just like a little makeover, I guess you could say. I went ahead and put up my LED lights over here. I'm actually gonna get new ones, but I'm not sure when I'm gonna order them. But for now, I'm gonna keep those. And I also added my PS4 there as well. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just fix my drawers because my clothes is a mess, and just kind of organize because it's really bad. So that's just the next step and part of this video. We're gonna start with this section first. I love the new wall color. It's just so much cuter. I can't wait to get my new LED lights because they're gonna be like going down here as well because this one's shorter. The bottom drawer is more of like my t-shirt type of drawer. Just shirts that like I don't want to hang. So like this little yellow one. These are just my bright colored t-shirts, and I'm gonna put that to the left side. Okay, so I have these two shirts here, and then this gray one. These are all long sleeves in the bottom. So the second drawer, pastel t-shirts, darker tone t-shirts, and 3 long sleeves in the bottom. This drawer, I don't even know what's going on with this drawer, to be honest. I don't even have like a title for it yet. I'm still trying to figure it out. I have something going on here, but it's not good. This is a off-the-shoulder black long sleeve. I actually have 2 of these. This is the third drawer. I just have a bunch of different type of long sleeves and 1 party dress in here. This is the third drawer. It's just my cheerleading drawer. This is temporary until I figure out where to put all my old cheer stuff. But it's just a bunch of shorts, some bows in the corner, and my cheer uniform. Concentrate. Okay. This drawer is my worst nightmare because it never, ever stays organized. And that's just because there's just so many. These are all my leggings. And I don't know, I just can never keep this drawer organized. Okay. This drawer is super simple. On the left side, I have my black everyday leggings. And on the right side, I have just all my workout leggings. This is my bedside table, and this is how it looks. Please ignore this scratch that I have above my lip. My dad has a parrot, and he's a little aggressive. Anyways, that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.